one too many times. Looks like she's had all she could take of me. She left me a note on the bathroom sink, said she needed some time to think. So an empty house is now all that I see. Just when I thought to myself I was finally free, well, I caught two eyes staring up at me. So now I'm out here all alone, walking this dog, trying to come to grips with everything that I just lost. She's blocked my number, staying at her mom's. So now I'm out here all alone with the only friend I've got, walking this dog. Man, I wish she would come back home, but my stubborn ways have her gone. There's no telling how I'm gonna fix this. So I guess I'll go and give her space and pray my sweetheart finds her ways. Where she's at right now,